Hello everyone. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Okay, today I'm getting ready to make a small pot of gumbo. And I'm going to show y'all how I make this is my quick way of making it. I don't make the roux or anything like that. I'm not going to make this from just scratch, okay? But I'm going to show y'all how to make a quick and easy gumbo. Okay? As y'all can see, I have some cooked shrimp. They're already peeled and deveined, but the tail is still on. These are medium size. And I also have some, let me show y'all this. Okay. This is what I bought from Walmart. Okay. And these are the sausage. Y'all see the sausage? And these are the brand sausage that I use. Okay. And I also have some chicken wings that I have cut into parts, as y'all can see. Okay. And in here I have some onions that I have chopped up. And in this little bowl, I have some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt that I'm going to season my chicken with, okay? Okay, what we're going to do now is get cooking. Okay, first of all, what I do, y'all, these are not my new pots. These are the old set. Okay, I'm getting ready to add my chicken in the pot. Add my chicken. And I'm also getting ready to add the chopped onions. Okay. And I'm also adding the seasonings. As y'all can see, I have put my chicken and my onions and my rest of my ingredients, my seasoning in there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this boil. And then I'm going to put a lid on it. Then I'm going to let it boil. Okay. Okay, I'm back. What I'm getting ready to do now, I forgot to show y'all this gumbo mix that I use. This is Sony Satchery gumbo dinner mix. So this is what kind I'm using. I'm also putting some Rotel mild tomatoes. I picked up the wrong kind. I usually I usually use the original kind, but I picked up the wrong one, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna mix that up in here. Chicken. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to add my mix. That's why I got that extra water here for, just in case it's not enough. I got this water here. So I have opened up my seasoning, and so putting that up in there. Make sure y'all, sometimes you'll find lumps in there. Make sure you try to mash up the lumps if you can. What I do, I mash it in the, inside the, that little paper that's inside there. I take that paper out of there and just mash it and make sure, that all the lumps are out, okay? Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I'm gonna add a little more water. Like I say, I'm cooking a small one. And another ingredient I forgot to show y'all, I also put okra in mine. Now, if you don't like the okra, you don't have to put it in there. If you don't like it, you can just, omit that part, okay? Yeah, I got some cut tomatoes that okay, I'm gonna let this boil some more, and then I'm gonna be back, okay? Okay, y'all, what I decided to do, what I'm gonna get ready to do is, I think I'm gonna go ahead and add, it all depends on what you wanna do. If you wanna go ahead and add your sausage, you can, because This is like halfway finished. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and add my sausage. I add this to it, to my mixture. Okay. Add this to the mixture. And like y'all see, it's getting ready, it's boiling. Getting ready to start a slow boil. But I'm going to keep this on maybe medium. Just let it continue to cook. And if you don't like it this thick, you can always add a little bit more water to it. But I'm not going to add any water to it at this time, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, what I'm getting ready to do now, I'm getting ready to make my rice. Y'all know I use my little rice cooker. I'm going to make maybe like 3 cups of rice, maybe. But anyway, I've already added 2 cups of rice, and I'm getting ready to add, it's supposed to be 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water. Let me make another cup here. Okay. Put that in there. Okay, wow, I'm letting that just get ready to boil. First, let me get ready to add my, while I'm doing that, I'm getting ready to add my okra. Okay, y'all see I have a small bag of okra, and I'm probably going to use maybe like a half of this bag. I'm not going to use a whole bag. Like I say, if y'all don't like the okra, you can omit this step. Okay, I'm putting maybe it's probably about a half a bag. Okay, and so like I say, this is not big. I'm sorry, y'all. I had it on my camera. Okay. Yeah, that's probably good enough. About a half a bag. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to, I'm going to wait on the shrimp. I'm going to let these okra boil. See, I put these, see these shrimp are already cooked. Y'all can see they're already cooking. I may take the tails off of them. Sometimes I do and sometimes I leave them on there for flavor. Because they say it's flavor in the tails, and so sometimes I leave them in there, and which I probably will. I just leave those in there. But if you don't want to go through all that hassle, take those tails off. Or you can use the fresh shrimp. It's up to you. You can get the ones that's the vein and clean in the vein and add those to it until they get done. And what I do, I'm going to show y'all what I do when I get to that step with the shrimp. You don't have to let those cook. Like I say, they already cooked. I'm going to show y'all what I do. Okay? I'm going to get ready to get back with this rice. Okay, y'all. I have put like maybe like a tablespoon of butter in this, and I'm gonna add a little salt, just a little bit, because remember the gumbo has salt, so I'm just gonna add just a little salt. Put the lid on there, set it. Don't worry about it, because it's gonna be done when it's gonna cook on its own, and it's gonna stop on its own. Okay. Hey. Okay, just stir this up. Like I say, we're gonna let this okra. Let me turn this. I think I'm gonna turn this back up some to maybe medium. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit to medium. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put the top on this and let this boil a little bit, about until I think the okra is done, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm getting ready to do. I'm finna get ready to finish this up. The okra is like the tenderness that I like, and so now I'm gonna add my shrimp in. I'm gonna add this in. Make sure you mix it really well. So y'all can take this to, if y'all have a potluck or something, or you want to host a dinner or something, you can have a gumbo dinner, like some friends over. Y'all, this recipe is very, very good. And so you won't go wrong. Like I say, when you get ready to, what I'm getting ready to do, I'm showing you. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to cover it. Cover this pot. I'm going to set it to the side. Okay. Now what I'm doing now, I'm waiting on my rice. See, my rice hadn't finished cooking yet. I'm going to let this rice finish cooking and let this keep like I said, I took it off the heat, and so I put the lid back on there, add the shrimp, and put the lid back on there, and just that's it. Because remember, the shrimp is already cooked. It's already cooked, and so there's your gumbo. So what I'm doing now, I'm waiting on my rice. As y'all can see, it'll be finished in a few minutes. And soon as this rice get finished, I'm going to be back and show y'all my final result. Okay, y'all. Okay, I'm back. I'm showing y'all this rice here. This my jasmine rice. Y'all, this is some really good rice. It's like the whole grain. Let me show y'all. It's the whole grain rice, and it's really good for dishes like the gumbo or for anything. I just love that my jasmine rice. Okay, here is my gumbo. Okay. Get ready to do. Okay, y'all, what I end up doing is adding some of the stuff that makes you cough. It makes me cough or sneeze. But anyway, this is the seasoning that I put on there. See, it's salt free. And if you like that spiciness, you can always add extra of this salt-free seasoning, Tony Satchery salt-free seasoning. This is good, y'all. It has a really good flavor to anything you want to cook. It's really good. Okay, I'm showing y'all how it looks. Okay. All right, now, y'all, I'm getting ready to remove this. Take my top off my rice. Getting ready to plate this up. Put my rice in my bowl. I'm just going to put a little bit, y'all. I don't want all this rice. Just going to put a little bit in there. You can always add extra butter if you want it. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add my gumbo. Okay. I'm going to add it to it. Y'all see those sausage? See, this is my sausage, shrimp, and chicken gumbo. Okay. Just decided to share this with y'all. And you can, if you want to, you can put crab in it. You can put, the crab legs or any kind of seafood that you desire to have in this. You can add it. But this is something I decided to make and to share this with y'all. How I make mine. Okay, I don't go through all that rule and all. No, I don't do that. But this is my pot of gumbo. Y'all, and this flavor is really, really good. It's good. I wouldn't tell y'all that if it wasn't, because it is. I've been making this way for years. I hadn't went to that drastic step of trying to make up the roux, in which you can always find a recipe with the roux. But this is the way I make it. Well, y'all, I'm getting ready to close for now. And I'm going to close. And y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.